and I are getting ready to go on a hike. It's Cold Bay Nature Trail. See, there's some problems. We could fall off a cliff. There's stairs. Rattlesnakes, that's a problem. Poison ivy, that's a really huge problem, huh? But do you want to tell them what the real big problem is? Buffalo. Yeah, they seem to be right in the middle of our trail. So we gotta be careful, huh, Kaden?
Yeah.
Looks like the trail can go this way. That's good. I told Kaden it was okay if he partied on the trail. I turn around and this is what I see. Kaden! Bad boy. Why'd you do it?
No, a buffalo.
Buffalo? I don't think so. That was Kaden. Ew.
Some buffaloes. That's what buffalo poop looks like.
Sure, Kaden. Got like every buffalo just staring at me. There's one there. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're all just staring. And I got Kaden. He won't walk any further. Here, let's go pet the buffalo.
What?
Let's go pet the buffalo.
Why?
I'll show you how nice they are.
How?
Go pet them.
They're not nice.
Oh, I don't know. How about you go pet them and show me?
Nope.
You go pet them, show me they're nice.
No.
No!
They're wild.
Oh, they're wild? Kind of like you. Like you? You guys will get along good.
Oh wait, what's that?
That's more poke. Wow.
I think that's harder.
Say buffalo. And big hooves. Kaden just found the coolest tree. Look at this guy. Wow, that's pretty neat, Kaden.
Why is it swirling?
Why is it all swirly? It's pretty neat. Kaden, where you at?
I don't know.
Are you in a tree?
Yeah.
Kaden is in a tree. You in the desert?
No.
Alright, where could the cactus be? Keep looking. Go on, keep looking in the canyon. Just do me a favor and don't jump on it. Oh no, it's right underneath you, Kaden. It's in your chest.
No.
Oh no! Oh no, Kaden! That was the cactus!
That's not the.
That's the cactus!
Not right there.
That hurts!
Not that big.
No?
I see another cat.
Kaden found the cactus! Is it scary? What if you would have fell right there?
Oh no.
I think we'd be dealing with something totally different than what just happened, huh? I think you'd be crying a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah.
This is really pretty.
Why is it really big?
Look at it. Do you see this every day?
No.
This is incredible.
Obviously, you have to be careful.
Oh, look. That's a big guy. Do you see him?
Why is that 3?
Because that's how many I've seen. 1, 2, 3.
Where's that bunny?
Oh, he took off. Oh, there he is. He's right in front of you. Kaden's chasing down a bunny. There he goes. Come on, let's go see him. Can't believe how close he's letting us get. Must really like people, huh? Just want to stop for a second and look at him?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
I will seek and I will find.
Look,
While I try to keep
oh, did you see
a
that?
steady mind, I will follow all the signs. This healing takes time. I will find my way back home.
Well, we were trying to follow the path back to our car, but our car's just on the other side of those buffalo. So, not sure how we're gonna get there. Alright, Kaden, you get to make the choice. Either we can cut through and hope a rattlesnake doesn't get us, or we can walk through that guy. What do you think? Uh-oh, now these guys are coming. Yeah, we're stuck, buddy. Oh, what do you think about that? Is that scary?
Yeah.
Kaden just reminded me 75 feet away. Man, he's got a good memory. He likes to play it safe. Alright, follow me, okay? Because we'll stay 75 feet. What do you think now, Kaden? Got a buffalo on that side. Got a buffalo peeing over here. Got buffalo staring at us over here. What should we do?
Oh no.
You scared?
Go.
What?
They're walking. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
To the song that's playing on your own soul's radio.
Well, me and Kate have been trying to walk this trail back to our car, and we've been standing here for like 20 minutes. Just waiting for the buffalo to pass, huh? Kaden was scared, but now he knows the buffalo are just doing their thing, huh? We're letting them. You sure you don't want to go pet one? No?
Wild.
Why always joke around, huh? Oh no, I think we'd take a shortcut. No more buffalo. Let's go check it out.
To the song that's playing on your own soul's radio. Listen to the song.
He's staring at you.
On your own soul's radio. Listen to the song that's playing on your own soul's radio.
Watch your step. Ooh. Would you rather step on the cactus? Or would you rather step on that?
Yeah, either one.
Not either one. That's a pretty good answer. You watching where you're walking? Oh no! Danger! Danger! That's scary, huh? I think you'd be following that. Ouch. So is it kind of exciting sometimes to be scared?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this guy. You're off-roading it. So you, Kaden, you really do like being scared a little bit? Whoa, slippery. Ooh, Kaden made it to the top. It's very slippery. Ooh, there's some more buffalo waiting for him down in the valley.
Oh, we missed.
So Kaden, you excited that we made it back alive?
Yeah.
How scared were you of the buffalo? 3 out of 10? How much? Show me. Ooh, quite a bit.